Hey guys, in this section we're going to talk about JavaScript patterns. So all programming languages have design patterns that are used in a wide variety of situations. So this explanation is going to be very generalized. So a pattern is basically a reusable solution that can be applied to occurring problems in software design. In this case we're talking about JavaScript applications, but all languages have patterns. You can also think of them as programming templates and a way to create a specific way for writing code. Now the situations vary significantly. Some patterns like the factory and prototype patterns are used for object creation. The module pattern and all of its variations are used for overall structure. Then you have complete software design patterns like MVC, which is the model view controller pattern. And these can apply to whole applications or to just little blocks of code. So it's a very broad subject. It's a tough subject. So in this section, I just want to kind of introduce you to some of the patterns available in JavaScript. We've already used some of the patterns and parts of patterns, such as the constructor pattern, the prototype pattern, but I want to get more into some of the specific design patterns that are offered. All right, so what we're going to look at is the module pattern and the revealing module pattern, which, like I said, are used for overall structure. It allows us to break our code up into modules where we can have private functions and variables and public functions and variables. Singleton, which is kind of a variation of the module pattern where we can only create one instance of an object. The factory pattern, which is used to create many objects. An observer pattern, which allows us to basically subscribe and unsubscribe to events. The mediator pattern, which kind of has a central mediator, and then it has colleagues that separate off from it. And then the state pattern, which allows us to have a certain state in our application and we can change that state. We're actually going to create a little project where we can have a little website with Bootstrap, and we can have buttons that we can click to change the state, and that'll change the content on the page. All right, so that's what we'll be doing in this video, guys, or in this section. So hopefully you enjoy it, and let's get started.